Part 2. Number 7. Packing surge protectors or multi-plug extension cords. These are those power strips you plug into one outlet to charge all your gadgets at once. Super useful at home or in hotels, right? But on cruises, they're banned across the board by lines like Carnival and Norwegian. The reason boils down to electrical safety. Ships have sensitive wiring systems, and surge protectors can overload circuits, causing fires or blackouts. Imagine the chaos if a whole deck loses power because of one faulty strip. Some cruisers try to sneak them in, but security scanners catch them every time. What to do instead? Most modern cabins have multiple USB ports and outlets now, especially on newer ships. If you need more, bring a simple extension cord without surge protection. Some lines allow those, but always check your specific cruise's policy. Skipping this mistake means you can focus on relaxing by the pool instead of arguing with security. Number 6. Candles or incense. These might be your go-to for creating a cozy vibe, like lighting a scented candle to unwind after a long day. But on a ship, anything with an open flame is strictly prohibited by every major cruise line, including Frommer's guidelines and Royal Caribbean's rules. Why? Again, fire risk. Ships are made of flammable materials, and a small flame could spread fast in the ocean breeze. Plus, with so many people in enclosed spaces, smoke from incense could trigger alarms or bother allergies. If you're caught, it could mean fines or even being kicked off the ship. Alternative? Opt for battery-operated LED candles or essential oil diffusers without heat. Many cabins have mood lighting anyway, so you can still set that romantic atmosphere without the danger.